Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete an Offerup post. To delete a post on Offerup, the first thing you'll need to do is to make sure that you know that Offerup doesn't have a direct delete option for your posts. In order to get similar effect, the first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser and then log into your Offerup account. Once you're inside the main homepage of Offerup, go ahead and click on My Jobs at the top right hand corner. Now you will be able to find all of your posts on the list. To delete a post, simply click on the Close button right under your post and select one of the options while you are trying to delete your post. And finally click on Confirm. And that is how you will be able to remove or delete an Offerup post in just a couple of steps. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.